Hi, I'm Rob and I'm a truck driver. Rather than eat unhealthy, overpriced food in service stations, I cook decent quality food in my own truck. I started cooking in a truck because I've always cooked and I've always cooked well. I'm a middle-aged guy and I didn't want to turn into the typical stereotypical overweight trucker. And that's all we could get with service station food. So I decided to start cooking. I've always cooked in the truck, but I decided to change up from the usual baked beans on toast to proper gourmet food. The cooking really took off after I started blogging about it, and unfortunately I picked up the name Fairy Trucker. I've had lots of different reactions from other truckers, from being quite supportive to disbelief to taking the mickey. But generally, truckers, we all stick together. I have, on occasions, fed other truckers and it's always gone down quite well. I've cooked everything from going fish curry, carbonara, to steak, you name it, we've cooked it. At some point, I need to crack a souffle in the truck. For sweet, I've cooked blueberry cheesecakes, steamed puddings, rice puddings, done that quite a bit. Modern trucks are quite spacious, and I've managed to get a cooker, a stove, a slow cooker. I've used it all within the truck. However, my big bugbears are trying to get fresh ingredients on the road. There is nowhere, you can't just pull up in a 44-tonner outside a supermarket. If you find me pulled up on the side of the road, you might smell a curry cooking. You might smell a carbonara pasta. But what it does prove is, with limited space, limited equipment, you can produce good, healthy food. If I could do it, everyone could do it.